care and maintenance of the TReO. Proper care and maintenance of the TReO are essential to device performance and longevity. Use the carrying case to store your device and supplies. Clean the device daily using the cleaning wipes and replace the tip every 30 days of use. Earwax buildup on the tip may obstruct sound delivery and reduce the volume or degrade the sound quality. Cleaning wipes and ear tips are available for purchase in the iHear online store. Visit iHearMedical.com. Do not use isopropyl alcohol or any cleaning solvents to clean the TReO. When you plan to not use your TReO for a prolonged period of time, remove the battery from the TReO to prevent battery corrosion and damage. If you have more questions, feel free to contact us at 1-844-443-2744 or email support@iHearMedical.com.